Hello everybody, how are you? Today we'll solve extra example. Talk about integration by this function. Integration 2 cosine 2x minus 1 over 1 plus 2 sin x dx. We can solve this example by know some information. We know cosine 2x equivalent to 1 subtracted by 2 sin x twice angle. So the integration here will be equal, right? 2 product by cosine 2x. You can cancel this and write 1 subtracted by 2 sin x. Okay, 1 subtracted by 2 sine power 2x all minus 1 dx over 1 plus 2 sine x. Now we can find the answer here 2 times this number, this simplest. You can write with me here 2 product by 1 equal 2 and 2 times 2 equal 4 sine power 2x minus 1 over 1 plus 2 sine twice of x or sine x. Okay, you can write the answer here 2 minus 1 equal 1. So the integration here, you can write integration of all the number here about the x, okay, equivalent to 2 minus 1 equal 1, subtracted by 4 sine power 2x over 1 plus 2 sine x dx. So the integration here, you can find the answer about simplest. We have the difference square here. You can write the difference between the squared, write 1, subtracted by 2 sine x, product by 1 plus sine, right here 2 also sine x. You can find the difference between two powers. We have 1 equal 1 power 2, 1 times 1, and 4 sine power 2x equivalent to sine x and 2 sine x over 1 plus 2 sine x. You can simplest cancel. So the simplest answer you can write here, integration of 1 subtracted by 2 sine x dx. You know, integration about 1 here, it will be x. And integration about sine will be cosine, right? 2 cosine x plus constant, okay? It's last answer. Okay, my students, we now will solve this integration sec power 2 about angle to x over cosec power 2 to x. We know sec is the inverse about cosine. So you can write sec power 2 to x equal cosine power 2 to x. And the inverse about cosec, what's the inverse of cosec? You can tell me it will be sine. Okay, sine power 2 of 2x, all dx. And we know sine over cosine equal 10. So we have 10 power 2 2x dx. We can write integration about 10 power 2x. How we can find the integration about 10 power 2x here? You can write, I put I equivalent to integration about 10 power 2 2x dx equivalent to. You can write the identity here about 10 power 2 equal 2x. You can cancel 10 power 2 equals sec power 2 minus 1. You can write sec power 2 2x minus 1 dx because it's the identity, okay? 10 power 2 to x. Integration about this function, you can write here sec power 2, okay? Sec power 2, understood? And the integration about sec power 2 equal what? Okay, the integration about sec power 2, you can write sec power 2 equivalent to 10 power 2 of x or tan x integration, because the derivative about 10 equals sec power 2 since the integration about sec power 2 equal 10 and divided by derivative of angles, okay, divided by 2. Integration about 1 equal x plus constant, okay, understood? It's the last answer here about this question. Okay, again, we have sec power 2. The integration about sec power 2 equal tan to x over 2. 2 here, derivative about the function here, divided by derivative of the function here, because the function here down was 2. Okay, so you must write the derivative about 2x here, 2. Convert integration about sec power 2 to x. It will be what? It will be then 2x divided by 2. Okay, everybody, we can solve this example by write product by conjugate of the numerator. In the integration here, by this number, we can write dx outside here, and 1 plus sine x right in the numerator plus sine x product by 1 subtract by sine x, and upright 1 minus sine x. And integration here, you can write 1 subtract by sine x over 1 times 1 equal 1, and sine x times sine x equals sine power 2x, all dx. Now we can sample this. How we can sample this example? We can write 1 subtract sine power 2x equal cosine 2x. Then the integration here equivalent to, you can write up 1 subtract by sine x dx, and down 1 subtract sine power 2x equal cosine power 2x. Then the integration here 1 over cosine